Alright, check it out, everybody. I found a cheap ass fidget spinner. This is just the attachment head for my tripod. So it slides in there like that, and there you go. But if you take it off, it's actually a secret fidget spinner. Woo! Okay, come on. Woo! See? Hours of fun. You can also do it like this. Okay, that doesn't work so good. Yeah, see? There you go. But I find it's best this way. Like this. Or maybe like this, just like this. Yeah. Anyways, maybe you have a tripod thing that will do this. So it doesn't quite, it's not, all it is the, that screw goes all the way through this plate and it comes out on the back. That's all it is. It's not a ball bearing or anything. Cheap ass fidget spinner. Come on. There you go. See ya.